Hello everybody, this is Yousef and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to have another Persian dish. It's Zabun gav or Zaban ba Qarch, which is cow tongue with the mushroom sauce, white mushroom sauce. I already had the video about how to make the cow tongue, but it was how to make a sandwich, which very delicious Iranian sandwich they make it. This time is different because I'm gonna make this with the mushroom white sauce, and usually we eat this, you can eat it as it is, or usually we eat it with the rice, either with the fava rice and or dill rice. Let's go over the ingredients. By the way, it takes a long time, just the time, not the long work. It's simple, easy, but it needs like 4 to 5 hours to be cooked. Let's go over the ingredients and start making it. All right, the tongue with the mushroom white sauce, obviously we do need a tongue. This is a cow tongue. It's a small one because you know some of them are really big. This is very young one, and it's being washed carefully, clean. You need one of these, and I have here about 1 pound or half a kilogram mushroom, white mushroom. I do have here gonna use some of these heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of the flour, 1 cinnamon stick, few of bay leaves, half a teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1.5 teaspoon salt, some cooking oil. I do have, you can use butter or any kind that you like, because mostly the butter makes it very tasty. And 2 onions, 1 goes for cooking the tongue, 1 for the sauce, and few cloves of garlic, which this part is just go together to make the tongue, to cook it. For making a sauce, I need 1 onion, mushroom, heavy cream, and that flour, and a little bit of salt and pepper. First thing first, let us start cooking our tongue. I have here is a pot, and we are going to put this in here. One of these, which you don't have to cut it all the way, just cut it like this and throw it in. The garlic, just cut them in half and put that in. Some people, they add a different vegetable also, which you like. You can put the bell pepper or carrots also to get the taste of the beefiness out of it, although you need to have the beef itself taste, but some other parts that you might not like it, that's helpful. But that's the way I make it. I don't put anything else. Now, for now, this is okay. I put it with the water on the heat till I take all the foam that it comes to clean that. Then I add the rest of the spices in there. Let's go and put it some water and put it over the oven. All right, we are going to wait till it starts boiling and the foam comes out. You have 2 choices. Either totally throw away all the water and put a new, or you just take the foam off, which I'm going to take the foams off of it. And while it's doing, let's go and prepare our mushroom. Let me wash my hand, then I see you. All right, you see it start coming. This is actually blood that is in the tongue. So we take this Be patient with it. It takes about a few minutes to do that. So you don't have to throw away the whole water. Okay, this way also you save time for cooking, so it's not going to take longer, because when you throw it away and start all over, so it takes more time to be cooked. So the easiest way, just take this foam out. You better off. All right, you see it's almost done. Is there time to just take almost of the foams out, and it's ready for just add our cinnamon stick and also our bay leaf and this black pepper. Okay, so the salt, I hold on to this till the end, then I'm gonna add both on this one and also on the sauce. Let's go and prepare that mushroom. So just reduce the heat here, just let it cook slowly. Let's go. You don't do it very thin, so this size is pretty good, because you want to feel this when you're eating it. All right, here's our slicing. Our mushroom is done. Then also I need to slice this one for our sauce. You can slice it like this, or just go ahead and just slice it just like this. It's up to you. All right, there, I also rather to have 2 of this garlic with the sauteing with our onion for the sauce. Very small. All right, I prepared this sauce in advance, so you don't have to wait anymore. Both a little bit of the oil. This one I'm just gonna saute this separate, the mushroom, and here is our onion. As soon as it's just turned the color, we should add the garlic and then the turmeric. All right, it's a time to also to add your turmeric at this time. Now it's a time also to add a little bit butter. As I said, you know, is good, and because you have to put the flour, so it needs a little bit oil, otherwise it's going to be dry out. Okay, and also it's a time for just add our garlic too. Here's garlic also. This mushroom needs to be mixing again, up and down, so to saute all of them at the same time. Here is time for flour. At this time, we are going to put this aside. So if this was ready, this is the time that we have to add the milk, and I forgot about that, 1 cup milk, and then heavy cream with the sauteed mushroom. So since we have maybe 3 hours to go, now I put this aside and make sure this is going to be ready also. Then when totally is ready, then we are going back to make the sauce complete. See you later. Stand by. All right, guys, it's been about like a 3.5 hours or so, and our saute onion, garlic, and flour, we leave, everything is ready to we make the sauce. So we are going to heat a little bit on this, and this is the time because we did not have a salt in anything so far. So putting the salt here, a little bit here, a little bit there, okay, and I like to add all this together, and this is the time that it gets a little bit hot, and we start making our sauce. If you remember, I said, you know, you have to add milk, which I forgot to tell you from the beginning. As soon as it gets hot a little bit, all right. I think our tongue almost there. What I need to add also some of this juice into our sauce. And at the same time, this one didn't have a salt either. Add a little bit salt here too. So trying to turn this around a little bit while this is a thickening. I'm probably gonna use another pan, because after I take the tongue and slice it, I have to put to this sauce. All right, let it cook also for a few minutes. Then we go and take the tongues out and slice it, and coming back to the sauce. All right, it's almost cooked, because it's still, after I peel off the skin, cut it, and I put it in a sauce for another half an hour, then it's gonna be completely ready. Let's just get a little bit cold. It's too hot to peel the skin for me. Give us a 10 minutes. All right, let's peel this off. Still is a little bit hot, but I'm getting hungry myself. I'm so excited to eat this wonderful food. Here we go, almost there. I think yeah, everything's been taken care. Let me throw this away and come back. All right. All right, this is going to go into the sauce. Put a little bit more of the juice here. Okay. And here we go. Let it cook about maybe another half an hour, then our food is ready. All right, also is a time for our heavy cream. That's enough. Now, also this is a time that you have to make sure the salt and pepper is in your taste. If you want it, you can add it now. And let it cook for, I think it's 30 minutes would be wonderful and the best time. Okay, let me put the lid on it and come back after 30 minutes. All right, guys, this is our food is ready as we promised you. It's a خوراک زبان, tongue with a mushroom sauce, and it looks amazing, it looks delicious, but actually the taste is more delicious than look. And here the rice that I made, it's a shevit pulao, which is a rice with a dill, and I made the rice so many times, that's why I didn't go through the process of this one, because you can see it in most of my video how to make rice. And I hope you enjoy this show as much as I do, and I'm going to enjoy more when I'm eating it. So thank you so much again for watching my video. I really appreciate your support. Till next time with another video. Bye.